All right, Ashley, unique to the Kentucky Welding Institute is the plethora of certifications that we give out, and all of them are hands-on, very hands-on intense. This box represents what is the NCCER, the National Center for Construction, Education, and Research, which we've been a part of since the inception of KWI. We've always been handing out blue cards, validating training. Those are credit card style certifications that you can take anywhere in the United States, and those companies and contractors can verify your transcripts. But in addition, we've been climbing the ladder with NCCER. We are also an accredited assessment site for the silver card, which means dollars in your pocket. That's companies hiring you at $2 and $3 more on the hour if you're a silver card holding boilermaker, pipe fitter, etc. And then this box represents the gold card certification.
Right. So as a company, I want people who understand what they have to do on the job. Hey, OSHA mandated a rule not long ago that if you're going to be a crane operator, you've got to hold a certification. How long is it going to be before OSHA mandates that rule that if you want to signal the crane or you want to rig the crane, you got to have a certification as well. So CCR, as we sometimes call it for short, is going to offer you that certification. You can get that done right here at KWI. And we're going to teach you how to rig slings and hardwire, how to tie some knots, and then you got to throw down. You got to prove that two ways. One, third-party verification written exam, and then second will be a performance verification that you would do for rigger level 1 or intermediate, beginning, or advanced rigger, which gets pretty intense sometimes, Bobby.
Absolutely. And this is all part of Kentucky Welding Institute's continuous improvement model. This was not year one KWI stuff. Again, we started with that blue card. This is KWI continually looking at its curriculum, at what it offers, its certification package, and saying, how can we improve? How can we do things better for next year's students? And now we're offering the gold card that NCCER gives out. So we're not making you crane operators. Not yet. Not yet. That class is this fall. We're getting there. We're going to go ahead and probably add that to our program too. But for right now, we can gold card you in rigger and signal. Again, just making that much more attractive to those companies and contractors. So I'm not just hiring a welder. I'm hiring a welder plus. A welder with an OSHA card, a welder with a TWIC, a basic plus, a welder who is certified to rig and signal.
That's right.
At the Kentucky Welding Institute. So if you're looking for a wallet full of certifications and an eye-popping resume, then KWI is what you need to consider.